Today we are going to take a look at the TurboXS version 2 of their Axleback.
You got to give it up for packaging. It comes in this little foam bed. How cute is that? But the best feature has to be this unique flange that fits the 3-inch downpipe and the stock 2.5-inch mid pipe that's rotting away under the car. Shout out to Jeff Spec John. This is my old version 1 and it leaked from here. On the version 2, they tidied it up and the welds look really awesome. Think that's a machine dropping those dimes? They even welded the inside of this so it doesn't leak. Wonderful job. If you're hooking up to the dirty stocker like I am, we're going to use these threaded holes. How cool is that?
These, if you can see here, it says 40. These are actual Group N exhaust hangers. They're tougher and they're supposed to hold the exhaust in place better for rallying, and that's why they use these for Group N. The ones that came in your car are going to have they're going to have a 60, number 60 right there, and they're going to be nice and squishy. But in order to get these off, even when they're on the car, you just want to slip this hose inside these holes, and I'll tell you what, these things slip right off even with the exhaust on them. White lithium grease. WD-40 will not work as well as the white lithium grease does.
You're going to need to lube the head of this rod here. Yep, I said it. These things are mad thick. You're only going to use this gasket if you're bolting up to a 3-inch. Stock mid-pipe requires a stock gasket. The bolts are 16 millimeter. Optimum Gray RTV sealant is some serious stuff. Go get this and it'll aid in the bonding of your gasket. Alright, here's the moment we've all waited for. Look at how amazing this version 2 came out. Awesome tip, amazing welds, really awesome construction. I think this thing should hold up for a really long time.